Once upon a time in a sunny meadow, there lived a cheerful little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had a soft, fluffy tail and big, twinkling eyes that were always full of curiosity. She lived in a cozy burrow under a tall oak tree with her family. Every morning, Rosie would hop out of her burrow, ready to explore the vibrant world around her. She loved the smell of fresh flowers and the sound of the gentle breeze rustling through the leaves. One bright day, as Rosie was skipping through the meadow, she met her friend Max, the squirrel. Max was known for collecting nuts, and he spent most of his days scurrying around the forest. "Good morning, Max," Rosie chirped happily. "What a beautiful day it is." Max, who was often grumpy, sighed and said, "I suppose so, Rosie, but tomorrow there might be rain, and then it'll be too wet to collect nuts." Rosie smiled gently at Maximum, "But today, it's sunny, and the flowers are in full bloom. Why worry about tomorrow when today is so lovely?" Max thought for a moment and shrugged. "I guess you're right, Rosie. Maybe I should enjoy today a bit more." Together, Rosie and Max wandered through the meadow, marveling at the colorful butterflies and the buzzing bees. Rosie showed Max how to see the beauty in the little things, how a sparkling dewdrop could look like a diamond. They lay on the grass, pointing out one funny cloud after another, laughing until the stars began to twinkle above them. Max started to chuckle, seeing animals' faces in the clouds. From that day on, Max learned to see the positive side of life just like Rosie. He realized that every day carried its own little wonders and joys. Though sometimes it would rain, the sun would always return to light up the meadow again. Rosie was delighted to share her outlook with her friends, and soon the whole meadow was abuzz with joy and laughter. The animals learned to live in each moment, appreciating the gifts that each new day brought them. And so, Rosie the rabbit and Max the squirrel discovered that no matter what might come tomorrow, today was special enough to bring smiles to their faces. They lived happily ever after, seeing the positive reality of life, one beautiful day at a time. Heroes, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with 8 friends. Bye bye.